Do you love yourself? Do you love yourself correctly? You need to grow then. You need to transform. You need to reach your peak. In that case, you need a tactical, a great planner, a strategist as a coach. Don't look far. My name is Josephine. I'm a transformational coach. I help people to unlock their potentials, unlock their transformation. I'm a certified Christian life coach. This is Better Way 15. All you need to do is call me on 404-590-8414. Send me an email on learnwithjoes@gmail.com. Even better, check my website for my coaching services. You have 100% confidentiality, 100% sources of growth, personal and professional development. Don't wait. Love yourself correctly right now. Get that tool for your self-competencies. Get that tool for your personal development. Get that secret recipes that I have used for myself and I use for others to get to where they are transiting to. We know with zero failure. Love yourself correctly. Have a blessed day.